You're a student. You check your wallet, and it's almost empty. You want to go out with friends. You want new shoes. You want to buy something online. But then you think, I don't have money. So you wait, or you ask your parents, or you cancel the plan. That feeling? It's not about money. It's about control. And today, I'll show you how any student, yes, even you, can slowly become financially free. Not rich, just free. First problem every student faces: I don't earn anything. That's okay, but let me ask you something. Do you know where your money goes? Most students don't. Money disappears on snacks, online subscriptions, random small buys, impulse food orders. Small leaks sink big ships. Easy solution? Write down every expense for 30 days. Just note it in your phone. You'll be shocked. When you see it, you control it. Second problem, even if I save, it's too little. Listen carefully. It's not about how much you save. It's about building the habit. If you save even $1 to $5 a week, your brain learns, I am someone who keeps money, and that identity changes everything. Small savings build strong discipline. Third problem, I don't have time to earn. You scroll 2 to 3 hours daily. Be honest, that's not lack of time, that's lack of direction. You don't need a full job, you need one small skill. Can you edit videos, design simple posters, make Instagram posts, help someone with homework, teach basic math or coding? Start small. Even earning $20 to $50 a month feels powerful because you earned it. Fourth problem, friends spend money and I feel left out. This is real. Your friends go out, they buy expensive stuff, and you feel pressure. Here's the simple truth. If you try to look rich now, you'll stay broke later. Real confidence is saying, I'm building my future. You don't need to attend every outing. You don't need every trend. Temporary sacrifice, permanent freedom. Fifth problem, when I get money, I spend it fast. This is normal. Money feels exciting. So here's a simple rule. Whenever you earn money, split it into 3 parts. Spend some, save some, invest some, even if it's small. This creates balance. You enjoy life and grow at the same time. Now let me tell you something important. Financial freedom as a student doesn't mean buying cars, luxury lifestyle, showing off online. It means you can pay for your own subscriptions. You can buy your own clothes. You don't panic over small expenses. That's real power. And here's the biggest advantage you have: time. You are young. If you start learning skills now, by the time others start thinking about money, you'll already be ahead. Imagine graduating with savings, with skills, with side income. That's confidence. So here's your simple plan. Track your money. Save something, even $1. Learn one skill. Earn small. Don't try to impress people. That's it. No complicated formula, no magic trick. Just small, smart decisions. Being a student is not a weakness, it's your advantage. While others spend, you build. And one day, you won't need to ask anyone for money. That feeling? That's freedom. Start small. Start today.